Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a dash camera 2-channel installed on Range Rover 2019. It's a Range Rover Velar. So first we're going to show you the rear camera. So we have installed the rear camera on the rear windshield. Now this vehicle, the same as the new Jaguar F-Pace, has a problem of how to run the wire between this part to inside the vehicle. So if you want to check our video of how to run the wire, we have done a video and showing how we run the wire between them. We've seen a lot of other shops and installers ending up just putting the camera in here, and that creates an issue that again, it doesn't look clean, it's interfere. If you put something, it might fall, and also it's a fabric, so it's not gonna hold well. So we actually install it on the rear windshield, and again, check our video to see how we run the camera. For the front camera, obviously, so this is quite nice. It has the new handles that pop out. So we have the front camera in here. Again, wire is all hidden, nice and clean and visible. You won't see any wires. For a dash cam installation, you can always contact us at Car System Installation. If you want to see some of our how to do videos, we show videos of how to install the cameras in vehicles like that and other stuff. So check our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.